Hi, I'm Chef Mary and I'm in the kitchen with Big Y. Today we're making pan-roasted pork chops with apples. This is a seasonal favorite, but it's delicious year-round. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's get in the kitchen and let's get cooking. Now here we are in the kitchen, ready to cook our pork chops with apples. So our ingredients are salt and pepper, 1 apple sliced thin, rosemary, cooking oil, apple cider, and chicken broth. The most important ingredient, of course, are these boneless pork chops from Big Y. Now the first step in any recipe is going to be to rinse any produce you're using and to wash your hands. So before we go to the stove, we're going to salt and pepper the chops. So just sprinkle salt on both sides of each, along with a little pepper. And before we move to the stovetop, I'm going to want to wash my hands again, because I've been handling raw meat. Place a heavy skillet over medium-high heat. Film with olive oil or vegetable oil. Add the chops to the pan, being careful to lay them in away from you so you don't splash yourself with hot oil. Sear the chops on one side until they release from the pan. Flip the chops over and add apples, rosemary, the apple cider, and the chicken broth to the pan. Bring to a simmer and then move to a 375-degree oven. It should take about 7 minutes, but check the temperature using your meat thermometer. You'd like the chops to be at 145 degrees. Remove the chops from the pan and let the meat rest for at least 3 minutes while you finish the rest of the sauce. Place the pan back over high heat and let the sauce reduce. You'll see the sauce come to a simmer and then thicken up a little bit. This could take about 5 minutes. Put the chops back into the pan and cover with the sauce. So today I'm serving my pork chops with butternut squash and broccolini. So I'll plate them up, give them a little spoonful of the sauce with some of the apples. And it's ready to serve. Thanks for cooking along. For this recipe and more, visit bigY.com.